Okay, we are now at page 1 of your writing chemical equation notes. So the first example given to you is write the chemical formula for sodium chloride. Let's recall sodium chloride. What sort of bonding exists between them? So the first thing is we will have to determine, does it contain a metal? So let's check in your periodic table. I found sodium and it belongs to group 1, and this will be my metal section. Okay, so sodium, it's a metal, and chloride, ion, okay, over here, it actually belongs to my non-metal, okay, chlorine over here. So very quickly, I am able to determine what is the bonding present. This is an ionic bond. Okay, so this is the thinking process behind. So next up, I will have to determine what are the ions. So step 1, write the ions. So sodium, Na plus, chloride, Cl minus. Always check charges, balance, yes, okay. If the charges are balanced, all I need to do is just write the chemical formula. Take note, special mention, once the chemical formula is written, okay, there will be no charges. So I shouldn't be seeing any plus and minus sign in the formula. No plus or minus sign anymore.